Should you upgrade to the Samsung Galaxy F56 5G? Thinking about upgrading your Samsung Galaxy A55? The new Galaxy F56 5G comes with a brighter display, faster processor, longer software support, and quicker charging. But are these upgrades worth switching? Let's break it down. Design and build. The premium glass back and metal frame remain the same, but the F56 5G is lighter and thinner. It still has IP67 water and dust resistance, making it safe from minor splashes. The overall design hasn't changed much, but new colors like Awesome Graphite and Awesome Light Blue have been introduced. Display and audio. The F56 5G has a slightly bigger and brighter screen, measuring 6.7 inches compared to 6.6 inches on the A55. Brightness has increased to 1200 nits from 1000 nits, improving outdoor visibility. Both phones feature FHD plus Super AMOLED displays with a 120Hz refresh rate for smoother scrolling. AI-powered features enhance voice recognition, battery efficiency, and camera performance. Cameras. Both phones have a 50-megapixel main camera with optical image stabilization, a 12-megapixel ultra-wide camera, and a 5-megapixel macro camera. The front camera on the A55 5G is 32 megapixels, while the F56 5G has a 12-megapixel front camera with HDR video support and noise reduction. Despite having fewer megapixels, the F56 5G's AI-powered features can improve selfies in low light and enhance video quality. Performance and software. The A55 5G receives 5 years of software updates, while the F56 5G gets 6 years. The processor has been upgraded from Exynos 1480 to Exynos 1580, delivering better efficiency, AI-powered features, and slightly faster performance for gaming and multitasking. Battery and charging. Both phones have a 5000 mAh battery, but charging speeds differ. The A55 5G supports 25-watt charging, reaching 50% in 1 hour. The F56 5G supports 45-watt charging, reaching 50% in just 30 minutes. Faster charging means less time plugged in and more time using your phone. Should you upgrade? Reasons to choose the F56 5G. Faster processor with better efficiency. Brighter display for improved outdoor visibility. Improved video recording with HDR and noise reduction. 6 years of software updates instead of 5. 45-watt fast charging instead of 25-watt. Lighter and thinner design. Lower launch price compared to the A55. Reasons to stick with the A55 5G. The upgrades aren't massive if you already own it. A big discount on the A55 might make it a better deal. Final verdict. The F56 5G is a clear upgrade. It's faster, charges quicker, lasts longer with updates, and costs less at launch. If you're buying a new phone, the F56 5G is the better choice. However, if you already own the A55 5G, it's still a solid device, so you may not need to upgrade just yet. Would you switch to the F56 5G, or is the A55 5G still good enough for you? Let me know in the comments section. If you enjoyed this video, subscribing to the channel would be greatly appreciated. That's it for today. See you in the next one.